Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to solve another problem for reduced state using implication table. Right now, here you see that one the present states are number of states are A to G. Right here, we are having the transition is here, and the corresponding outputs are we have shown that one. Right now, now you have to draw implication table first. Right, so in that implication table, here how do you draw that implication table is the row wise in the bottom almost you and that row wise you write up to A to F. Last one is you remove that one. Right? So that is here A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Then similarly in that column wise you have to start from G. G column wise start from the last one, right? G, F, and E and D. Then here we are having C and B. So you write it that one. So space leave F, E, D, C, B. Right? You have to draw the lines. Right. Then here from B, you draw that line. See. Right? So this is the implication table. Now you are going to find out the pair, right? So this is A and B. So here in that AB, here AB, we are having now the for both X and X0, X1, we are having same output. So AB can be pair, right? AB can be paired, then you make a tick mark on the cell that A, B. So you have to start from the left to right, right? Then from A and B you check now. So AB can be pair because both are same output. And then using that one, we find out the implied, find out the implied, right? So that DE. So DE. So in that DE also, we are having now both D and E are having same output as 1 0. So TE can be pair. So implied, right? So that is one implied state DE. So AB is a group and DE is also a group. And here we are having AB. So for one, we are having AB. Already we are making the pair as AB is a tick mark. Next, AC. AC is a different output, so it cannot be pair. AC is a different output, so it cannot be pair. So this is AC. A and C is different output, it cannot be pair. Then BC. PC also different output, it cannot be pair. Then AD. AD is different output, so it cannot be pair. Then BD. PD also different output, PD also different output, then it cannot be. Then CD. CD is different output, it cannot be pair. Next, here AC. So here AE. A and E. A and E also different output. AE also different output. Then BE. BE. BE also different output. Then CE. CE different output. Then DE is same output. So D is make a tick mark. Then through the DE, we are getting now this is both are same, both are same. So this is there is no pair. Okay. Then here we are making a tick mark only, right? Next, you have to go for AF. A and F are same, same output. Then through that A and F, then we are having CD. CD cannot be paired, right? So CD cannot be paired because CD are different output. So cannot be paired. Then this is cannot make a pair, right? Then this cannot be make a pair. And next one is BE. BE by the input. Next input is BE. That BE PE also different output. Then this also cannot be pair. So this pair is not possible. Then we have to go for BF. B 00, F is 00. So we can make is a pair. Now you have to check now. B is, it will go to DC, right? DC, it will go to DC. DC is DC and we are having now. So here DC and then here we are having a P, right? So sorry, EC, delete it. Here P and F. So that is we are having E and C pair. E and C. E and C is same output. E and C, no. E and C is same, not same output. So it is not possible. E and C. Then here we are having now E and C. The next one is AB. AB is already pair. E and C is not pair. Now C and F. C and F. C and F is different. So here we are having not pair. Then here we are having D and F. D and F. D and F is different. Then E and F. E and F is different. Next, AG. A and G is different. Then B and G. B and G is different. Right? So G B is 00. Then G is 0. 10. So the different, right? Then CG is not, right? CG is not. Okay. Then DG is same, right? TG is same output and also it will go to A. This is D is already pair. So here having now T is pair. T is pair. Then EG is same. Then here we are making now EG can be paired through the EG A Here D is already pair, right? Then F and G is cannot be pair. F and G is different output, so it cannot be pair, right? Now through the way you are getting now that AB is pair. AB, A and B is a tick mark, so AB is a pair. Then by the way we are having T is the pair. D, E, otherwise you see implied will see later. Then AB is a pair. Next here this not cannot be pair. So here we are having it cannot be pair. Then we are having now that the C also we cannot pair. Then we are making the tick mark, right? DE. DE is a pair. DE is a pair. AB, DE is a pair. And then here C cannot be paired with anyone. So here you take it as a separate one, right? A, D, C, and then here we are having now EF, EOT. So here we are having now this next one is uh, DG. DG cannot be, TG is pair, right? So here we are having TG is a pair, DG. DG is a pair. And then here we are having now EG is a pair. EG is a pair. And F cannot be pair. So here in that one, TE, TG, EG. So these three are there. So here we have to take the three as one, no, three as same group. AB, C is another group. C is a separate group. And here we are having now DE. So DE, right? So D, E, D, E, G is another group combined, right? So because of TE, TG, EG. So through that one, this is combined. So how do you find out that one? As we are having that this is implied pair, then from that one you have to draw the merge table. You draw the merge table. So here we are having now how do you the merge diagram? So that is here how do you draw that merge diagram is right in that one you put that all letters, right? So that is here you put all letter and the circumference A, B, C, D, E, yeah. This is called merger diagram, right? So this is merger diagram. In that merger diagram, so that what are the pairs? AB. So you draw a line. For that AB, you have to draw a line between AB. Right? Then DE, AB, then DE, you have to draw a line. Right? Then we are having now C is no line. DG, DG, you have to, G also is there, right? So you put now, so you have to put G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G also is there, right? E, F, G, right? So you put the letters, the circumference, right? So that is here, you are having now, this is F. So you draw that big circumference and you put a dot for each and every state. Then AB, AB, then DE. ABD is over. Then we are having C as it is. Then DG. T to G you have to draw it. So T to G you have to draw it. right? Because we are having a pair. And EG is there, right? Then nothing is there, right? So here we are having now one closed triangle is there. You are having closed triangle. So using that closed triangle, you know that one, that these three, T, E, G. T, E, G is same group. So this is a closed triangle. This closed are together as a group. Right? Then AB as a group, right? So AB is a single line. AB is a single. Then the all others are separate one. So C is separate, then AB is one group, right? So that is okay. The AB is one group and DEG is one group, F is separate and C is separate, right? So using the merger diagram, then you find out the three are paired, right? So that is here. Next one is we are having now that F. If it's separate, right? So these are all the group together, right? Then if you are reducing the table, you write the radius. So you take representative as A, this is C, this is D and E. So we are having now ACDF. So the table is reduced as ACDF. So you are removing that B, you are removing B, and then we are removing D, E and G. E and G is removed, right? So A, C, D, F. Then wherever we are having different name, then replace by its representative, right? Wherever we are having B, you replace by A in that one. So here you have to put now A. Instead of that one, you have to put A. Then here we have C is as is equal. Then here we are having D, E, G, you put D. So this is D. E also D, D, E, G, right? So the D. So here this is F as it is. Then we are having C. Then this is B. The B is A, right? So that's all. So here the reduced one is A, C, D, F, right? Then x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So this is dA, dA. Then this is AF, AF. Then here D we are having now AD. A, D. Then here we are having the F, CA. C, A. Then the output is x equal to 0, x equal to 1. The output is for A, we are having 0, 0. Then for C, we are having the 0, 1. Then for D, we are having that 1, 0. Then for F, we are having now 0, 0. F, we are having now 0, 0. F is 0, 0. Then here we are having DCE. So DCE is different. So we cannot merge that A and F. We cannot merge A and even though same in same output, but we cannot be merged because D and C. DC is different state. So this is the reduced table for this example. Right? This is the present state. This is the next state. This is the output. Okay. This is an important question. They may ask that one. So you have to easily complete that one. We'll stop here. We'll continue by next lecture.